I purchased both the most expensive and the least expensive hot dogs at Tom's Long Hot Dogs in Massachusetts, and I'm going to try them both. I'm going to start with the least expensive hot dog, which is just the plain hot dog. This is what that one looks like. That wasn't the best hot dog I've ever had. It was okay. It would have been better with some ketchup or mustard. The skin was pretty tough. Tougher than most of the hot dogs that I get. It wasn't bad. I'm gonna try the most expensive hot dog now. This has cream cheese and jalapenos in it. They call it the Popper Dog. And this is the most expensive hot dog that you can get at Tom's Long Hot Dogs in Massachusetts. Let's see if it's worth the hype. That was a lot better than the cheapest hot dog. I'd say it's worth the price difference. I think the cream cheese is really what made it taste a lot better. Though it does still have the same shortcomings of the dog itself. It's kind of tough skin. Not cooked that much. I don't need my hot dogs overcooked, but I like them to be a little bit more cooked than that. Not that they were undercooked. Just not my favorite kind of hot dog. Maybe next time I'll try a chili dog from here.